guys, welcome to my series IGCSE past paper. Today I am going to solve IGCSE extended maths paper to October-November 2023. Let's start with first question. First question is write 24.07839 correct to a two decimal places. Now we have to look for a third decimal place, that is 8, which is more than 5, so it will be 24.08. So our answer is 24.08. B part, correct to a nearest 10. So 4 is the ones, 2 is the tens place, 10th. So 4 is less than 5, so it will be 20. So our answer is 20. Second question, write down a number that is 9 greater than minus 23. 9 greater than minus 23. So minus 23 plus 9, which will be equal to minus 14. So our answer is minus 14. Next, V is equal to this. Then find the value of V when these are given. So we need to substitute these values. So V will be equal to 30 plus minus 2 into 7, right, which will be equal to 30 minus 14, which is equal to 16. So V will be equal to 16. Next question number 4. 4 is change 62,000 millimeter into a kilometer. So 1 kilometer is equal to 10 lakh millimeter. So we have to divide this by 10 lakh. 62,000 divided by 10 lakh. Cut this to this, which is equal to 62 divided by 1000 equal to 0.062. So this will be our answer, 0.062 kilometer. Next question number 9. The diagram shows two intersecting straight lines crossing two parallel lines. Find the value of x. So let this be m. Now m plus 50 will be equal to 114 by corresponding angle. Corresponding angle of parallel line are equal. Now m will be equal to 114 minus 50, which is equal to 64. Now m will be equal to x, vertical opposite angle, so x is equal to 64 degree, our answer. Next question number 6. 6 is explain why 111 is not a prime number, as 111 is divisible by 3 and 37, so it is not a prime number. B part, find the prime number between 110 and 120. So 113 is the prime number. Right. Question number 7. Next question, question number 7. Find the bearing of Q from P. So we have to find the bearing of Q from P. So we need to find this. Right. Let this be A, this be B. Now A plus 39 will be equal to 90 degree. Now A will be equal to 90 minus 39. A is equal to 51. Now A plus B is equal to 180 degree. co-interior angle. Now 51 plus b is equal to 180. b equal to 180 minus 51. b will be equal to 129 degree. Now 360 minus 129, which is equal to 231 degree. So our bearing of Q from P will be 231 degree. Next question number 8. Without using the calculator, work out this. You must show all your working and give your answer as a mixed number in a simplest form. So 3 1 by 8 minus 1 3 by 4, 25 by 8 minus 7 by 4. Now multiply this by 2. So this will be equal to 25 by 8 minus 14 by 8. So this will be equal to 11 by 8. Now 11 by 8 will be equal to 1 3 by 8. So this will be our answer, 1 3 by 8. Next question, question number 9. Write 90 as a product of its prime factor. So let's make the factorize the 90 to 45, 3, 15, again 3, 5. Now this is 5, 1. So it will be 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So our answer is 2 into 3 square into 5. Next, question number 10. Expand and simplify this. Now this will be 2t plus 2w plus 3w minus 3t. This will be equal to 5w minus t. So this will be our answer, 5w minus t. Now question number 11. Next question. The two shapes are mathematically similar. Find the value of h. When shapes are similar, their corresponding side will be in proportion. So h by 6.3 will be equal to 5 by 9. Right? H will be equal to 5 into 6.3 divided by 9. So H will be equal to, let's use the calculator, 3.5. So H is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So H is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Next, B part. The area of the smaller shape is 16 centimeter square. Calculate the area of the large shape. So we have to find the area of the large shape. Scale factor will be 9 by 5. Factor will be 9 by 5. So area of large shape over me area of small shape will be equal to square. Now this will be, let the area of the large shape over me, area of the small shape is 16, which is equal to scale factor is 9 by 5 square. Now area of the large shape will be equal to 81 by 25 into 16. Now area of the large will be equal to, we will use the calculator, that is equal to 51.84. So our answer is 51.84 centimeter square. Right. Next, question number 12. This is speed time graph question. So the diagram shows the speed time graph for 16 seconds of a car journey. Find the discretion of a car in a final 4 seconds. So discretion will be equal to gradient of the speed, gradient of this, right? So this is equal to gradient. Speed time graph speed time in a final 4 seconds. Final 4 seconds. So this will be equal to 10. This is 10. Vertical length is 10. This vertical length is 10 and horizontal will be 4. So 10 vertical over horizontal, which is 10 by 4, which is equal to 2.5. So our answer is 2.5 meter per second square. Find the total distance traveled during the 16 seconds. So total distance will be equal to this area under the speed time graph. So area under speed time graph during 16 seconds. 16 seconds. So the figure is the trapezium. So area of trapezium will be equal to 1 by 2 a plus b into height, where a and b are the parallel side. Side of trapezium. H is the height. So this will be equal to 1 by 2 bracket 16 plus 12 into height is 10. 1 by 2 28 into 10. You can cut it down by 14. So this will be equal to 140. So our distance is 140 meter. Next, question number 13. 13 is this. We will use the law of indices. So 3 raised to the power 3p plus 2p. This will be equal to 3 raised to the power 6. So 3 raised to the power 5p will be equal to 3 raised to the power 6. Now as base is same, so we can compare the power. So 5p will be equal to 6. P will be equal to 6 by 5, which equal to p will be equal to 1.2. So p is equal to 1.2. That is our answer. Next, B part. B part is this is 32 raised to the power 1 by 5 into x raised to the power 10 into 1 by 5. We will cut this. This is 2 raised to the power 5 into 1 by 5 into x raised to the power 2. We can cut this. So this is our final answer. 2x raised to the power 2. So our answer is 2x raised to the power 2. Question
Next,
number 14. Rearrange the formula to make W the subject. So this will be y plus x. This is equal to 2w square y plus x over 2. This is equal to w square. So w will be equal to root of y plus x over 2 plus minus. So this will be our answer. So w is equal to plus minus root of y plus x by 2. Now next question, question number 15. On the Venn diagram, shade the region P union Q complement. So Q complement will be U minus Q. Let me change the first color. Now this will be the part, it will be union with Q complement. So this, right? It's the easy part. Next question number B. Now in number of element in universal set is 20 and A union B complement is 1. That means A union B, number of element in A union B will be equal to 19, right? Number of element in A is this, number of element B is 10. So complete the Venn diagram. So union B is 19. Now as we know the formula, number of element in A intersection B, this will be equal to number of element in A plus number of element in B minus number of element in A union B. So this will be intersection, we can find 12 plus 10 minus 19, which will be equal to 22 minus 19 is 3. So intersection, this will be 3. So here it is total number of element in A is 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. So it will be 9. And number of element in B is 10. So this will be 7. And this is obviously 1 is given, already given. So let me check first. This is 20. Yes, this will be our answer. Next, question number 16. 16. Find the lowest common multiple, LCM of this. Now LCM of 12 and 8. First find the LCM of 12 and 8. 12 and 8. This both is divisible by 4. 3 and 2. Now 3, 1 and 2. Now this will be 2, 1 and 1. Now this is 4 into 3 into 2, which is 24. So this is, and from x raised to the power 8 and x raised to the power 12, we will take x raised to the power 12. Yes, so our LCM will be 24 x raised to the power 12. So 24 x raised to the power 12. Question number 17. A part. A, B, C are the point on a circle with center O. Angle OBA is 28 degree. Find the angle ACB. Now in this question we have to find ACB. Let me change first color of this pen. Now as OA is equal to OB, radius of the circle, OA equal to OB, circle, right? Now OAB, angle OAB will be also equal to 28 degree. So AOB angle, this will be equal to 180 minus 28 plus 28, which equal to 124, right? So this will be 28 and this will be 124. Now we have to find the angle ACB. ACB, this angle. Now this will be equal to angle ACB angle. This will be equal to half the angle AOB. OB. Why? Reasoning is angle at the center of the circle is twice the angle at the circumference. So this will be equal to 1 by 2, 124. We will cut, this will be 62. So our answer is 62 degree. Next question, B part. PQR are a point on a circle. TU is tangent to the circle at P. This is given, so we have to find the angle RPQ. We have to find this angle. Now this will be 47 degree. Why? Because of alternate segment theorem of the circle. Segment theorem. So this will be equal to, now it's simple, angle RPQ angle. This will be equal to 180 minus 52 plus 47. This will be equal to 81. 81 degree. So our answer is 81 degree. Next, question number 18. A solid cylinder has a radius 5 centimeter and height 8 centimeter. Calculate the total surface area of the cylinder. Now total surface area of the cylinder. Surface area of the cylinder. This is equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Now this will be equal to 2 pi r h plus r. Now this will be 2 pi, radius is 5, this is 5 8 plus 5, this equal to 2 pi into 13, which will be equal to approximately equal to 408.407045 by calculator. So total surface area will be equal to 408 centimeter square. So our answer is 408. Right? Next is the 19th. Find the end term of each sequence. Let me first calculate the difference between them. There is minus 3, minus 3. So this is the arithmetic sequence. So in arithmetic sequence, Tn equal to T1 plus n minus 1 into D. T1 is the first term, which is equal to 11 plus n minus 1 into common differences minus 3. So this Tn will be equal to 11 minus 3n plus 3, which is equal to 14 minus 3n. So our answer is 14 minus 3n. Next. Okay. B part. Here this is 5 raised to the power 0, 5 raised to the power 1, 5 square. So 5 cube, 5 4, like that. So our sequence will be, n term sequence will be 5 raised to the power n minus 1. So this will be our final answer, 5 raised to the power n minus 1. Right? Question number 20. Area of the rectangle is the centimeter square, corrected to a 1 decimal place, and the length of the rectangle is 9 centimeter, corrected to nearest centimeter. Calculate the upper bound of the width of the rectangle. So uh, first find the error. So here error will be 1 decimal place, 0.1 divided by 2, which is equal to 0.05. And here will be same way. In length it is a 1 centimeter, so it will be 1 by 2, which is equal to 0.5 centimeter. Right? Now first find the area. Here lower bound is greater than equal to 55.15 and less than 55.25. This will be upper bound, this will be lower bound. Same way, length will be greater than equal to 8.5 and less than 9.5. So this will be upper bound and this will be a lower bound. We have to find the upper bound of the width. So width will be equal to area over length. So area's upper bound and length will be of lower bound, because we have to find the width upper bound. So this area upper bound will be equal to 55.25 over length lower bound is 8.5, which is equal to 6.5 by calculator. So our answer is 6.5 centimeter. Now question number 21. The line is this intersect at the curve this. at 2 points. Find the coordinate of the 2 points. So basically we have to find the solution of this point. So let's substitute this value in this. So it will be x plus 1. This will be equal to x square plus x minus 3. Now x square plus x minus 3 minus x minus 1, this will be equal to 0. X square minus 4 will be equal to 0. Now here x square minus 2 square is equal to 0. So x minus 2, here we will use the identity, and x plus 2 is equal to 0. We are using the identity here is a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b, a plus b. Right? Now x minus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 2 will be equal to 0. X will be equal to 2, or x will be equal to minus 2. When x is equal to 2, y value will be y. Now y is equal to x plus 1. So y will be equal to 2 plus 1. Y will be equal to minus 2 plus 1. So y will be equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 1. So point will be here 2 and 3, and here will be minus 2 and minus 1. Right. So here will be 2 and 3, minus 2 and minus 1. Next, question number 22. X is inversely proportional to the square root of w. When w is equal to 16, x is equal to 3. Find x in term of w. So x is inversely proportional to 1 by square root of w. So x will be equal to k by root w. So let's substitute these values. 3 equal to k over me root 16. Now k will be equal to 3 into 4. K will be equal to 12. Now x in term, we have to find the x in term of w. Now sir, x is equal to k over me root w. So x will be equal to 12 by root w. So this will be our answer, 12 over me root w. Next, question number 23. Question 23. Some students record their reaction time. The table shows the result. On the histogram, the height of this block is given this. So calculate the height of the block this interval. Right. For this, let's make one table. First, we will make the table. Reaction time. Time in seconds. This. Then class width. This is given 0 less than t is less than equal to 6, and t is greater than 6 and less than equal to 10. So class width is Here 6 minus 0 is 6, 10 minus 6 is 4. Frequency C is 18 and here is 16. Frequency density. Density, this is equal to 18 by 6, which is equal to 3. And this is 16 by 4, which is equal to 4. Height. Height here it is given 7 in centimeter. This is 7.5. Let this be x. Now, frequency density of 1 over mean frequency density of 2. This will be equal to height of 1 over mean height 2. Now, this is 3 by 4 equal to 7.5 by x. X will be equal to 7.5 into 4 by 3. Then cut this. This is 2.5. So x will be equal to 10. Our answer is 10 centimeters. Right? Next question number 24. Simplify this. So this is a question of factorization. So question is ax minus 2a minus x plus 2. Now this over me a square minus 1. Now this will be a bracket में x minus 2 minus 1 x minus 2 over में a minus 1 a plus 1. Here we are using the identity x square minus y square. This is equal to x minus y x plus y. Now this is a minus 1 x minus 2 over me a minus 1 a plus 1. So our final answer will be x minus 2 over me a plus 1. So x minus 2 this over me a plus 1. Yes. Next 25th question. The derivation of this is this. Find the value of a and the value of k. Now let be y equal to 2ax raised to the power 7 plus 3k raised to the power x raised to the power k. Now dy by dx, this is equal to 14ax raised to the power 6 plus 3k x raised to the power k minus 1, and this is equal to 42x raised to the power 6 plus 15x raised to the power k minus 1. Now we can compare them. 14a is equal to 42. A is equal to 42 divided by 14, which is 3, and here 3k is equal to 15. K will be equal to 5. So A is equal to 3. K will be equal to 5. This is our final answer. Now question 26. The diagram shows a parallelogram OPQT. The position vector of P is A and the position vector of T is B. K is on PQ so that PK ratio KQ is equal to 3 ratio 1. The line OK, and TQ is extended to meet at X. Find the position vector of X in term of A and B. Give your answer in a simplest form. So OX vector will be equal to, this is equal to OT vector plus TX vector. Now TX vector, this will be equal to TQ vector plus QX vector. Right. Now let us mark all the magnitude given in the question. So this will be equal to A, this will be 3 by 4B, this is 1 by 4B, right? We have to find this. Now we will take two triangles, this triangle KQX and triangle KPO. KQX angle, this will be equal to KPO angle, right? Alternate angle, and angle QKX is equal to OKP, vertical opposite angle, opposite angle. So triangle KQX is similar to triangle KPO, and so their length will be in proportion. If these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides will be in proportion, right? So KQ over me PK, this will be equal to OP QX over me OP. This will be 1 by 4P over me 3 by 4B equal to OX QX vector over me OP is A, which is equal to, this is 1 by 3 is equal to QX over me A. So QX will be QX vector, this is equal to 1 by 3A. Let's substitute all the values. OT is B plus TQ is A plus QX is 1 by 3A. So B plus this will be 4 by 3A. So our QX vector, OX vector will be equal to this. So this will be our final answer. This is B plus 4 by 3A. So this all we have done. If you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in next video.